This is part 3 of Common Core Algebra 1 homework, square roots. This is the third part of this, and I will be trying to finish this up really shortly and very fastly with better explanation than the last, as always. So, as I left off, we was about to begin this 4. So let's just jump right into it, shall we? Alright, so I would like to start with B, because A is already given to us. So that's our little example, and this is how we will begin. Now, what I was trying to really say is, like, how will this make 20? How will this make square root 20? Well, if you really look at it, the best way, square root of 4 times the square root of 5 can equal that. But then, how could it be simplified? So, square root of 4, is 2, but then the 5 would just have to stay the same. So instead of putting a times, just put square root 5. Just like that. See, now, it's different. Don't get tricked by the negative sign. It's not really that biggie. But let's try to get this to do. So, how would another way we put negative 90, huh? Focus. Good job. So, we could put negative 90 as negative square root 9 times square root 10, which overall equal, well, if you do it now, square root of 9, negative 9 is negative 3, and then 10, there's no square root of 10, so you could just put square root 10. D, we have square root 48. Well, square root of 48. Let's take a good guess at this. Square root of 48. Okay, you think you got it? Let's see what you got. Well, you could go to your calculator, see. I'm just thinking the one off the top of my head. 16 times 3. So you could do this. 16, square root of 16 times square root of 3. That's a good one because 16 times 3 equals 48. Square root of 16, 4. Square root 3, there is no thing. So you will put square root 4 square root 3. E, negative square root 8. Just like previous one on C, we will try to get one. So we could put negative square root 4 and times negative, not even negative, times square root 2. Let's go over negative 4, negative 2, and 2 cannot be square rooted, so you will put 2. Last but not least, square root of 300. That could be 100 times 3. So square root of 100 times square root of 3. Square root of 100 is 10, of course. So 10. You cannot square root 3, so you will have square root 3. Now, I also want to say this in the beginning of the video, I will only be doing 5-minute videos to save space on my phone. Sorry for the hazardness, but I will be trying to go as fast as I can to have these 5 minutes going. Okay, number 5. Write each of the following products in simplest radical form. The first done is an example for you. So it's the same thing just like the first one. It's already done for me, but more, understand? I'm glad you do. Now, for number B, 4 radical 45. So how would 45 become it? It's just like how we explained it in question 4, but 1-5 down. So it will be 4 radical. How you would get it? You could do 9 times 5. 4. What's the radical of 9? That would be 3. And there's no radical, so it would be 5. You guys understand? And then the last part, if you get it right, you would multiply 4 times 3, which will equal 12. And bring down a radical 5. You guys will understand sooner or later. C is really something just alike. So 1/2, right? Open parentheses. What will be equal 30? 32. 16 times 2, maybe. You do 1/2. And then what's the square root of 16? You guessed it. 4. 4 is that. And then, since that is the case, we will still have the square root of 2. Yes, square root of 2. And overall, square root 1/2 times 4 will equal 2 over square root 2. Now I passed my 5-minute mark. I will come back for part 4, I think so. But till then, please stay awesome.